Would not it be great to get paid to drive? Get paid to drive your car. You can be earning passive income every month, just by driving with a small see-through advertisement on your back window. It's easy to get started, and yes, you actually make money every month. You drive your car past thousands of people every day as you run errands, go to work, school and travel. All that driving adds up when you're paying for gas, insurance, and maintenance, on top of your car payment. Well, we've created a one-of-a-kind vehicle advertising network for you to earn some of that money back. So, you can take advantage of driving all those miles past thousands of people every day. 100% of our verified drivers earn money every month, and so will you. Real cash, not gift cards, no commission-only campaigns or other time-wasting garbage. Get started today. Click the link in the description below.